Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. Today we are making a scrap wood house. I know I've showed in the past how we use the plaster and we use Titebond quick and thick glue and hot glue, and then we let the house sit for 24 hours. So once our house sat, we went ahead and painted it blue and white. So now what I'm doing is taking a ruler and a pencil and tracing out some spaces for windows and doors. You can have fun with this and do all different kinds of shapes and sizes of windows. Once I colored them in with some black paint, I do go around this and I use some paint and water on a brush and I age up the edges of this. See there under the windows also. And then I just wipe it back with a paper towel or a baby wipe as I go. Now this is probably one of my favorite parts because the more layers that you do, the more texture and beauty and age and weathering that your house will have. Now once you got all your windows colored in, you're going to take white and go around the edges. And when I'm out and about, I'm looking at windows. I am seeing kind of how they look from the road on houses and buildings, and that'll give you some ideas. Now once you have your windows framed out, we are going to take some bark or popsicle sticks or coffee stirrers or whatever you have, and we're going to cut them to size and make little awnings and shutters and sills out of them. I'm using my Titebond Quick and Thick favorite glue and a toothpick because it's just such a tiny area. And yes, this was my first house, I believe, but after this I got tweezers so that this part would become a little simpler for me. Now between like the aging and then adding these, and then you're gonna add some details after, it all starts to get its own little personality. You can make these houses, you can make these little shops, you can put a house number on them, you can put a last name on them. There are so many ways y'all could make this your own. If you go and vacation a certain spot and you have certain little shops you love to visit the most, this would be such a cute little dupe to do. Or if you miss your childhood home, you can create it. Now, of course, if you don't like the tattered look, you're going to want to use something besides bark. But I thought for this house and the style, it would absolutely look beautiful. Now we're taking our rotary tool and we're carving out some doors. Then I'll take some paint and water and I will darken up our doorways. Now by the time I'm recording this video, I've made probably 5-ish of these size houses. And I have done doors all different ways, y'all. So again, just use your imagination. Now, I know I showed this on the last house as well, but we're going to take some paint and water. We're going to take a paper towel or a baby wipe, and we're going to kind of age up around those doors. We're going to go around our edges, under our windows, wherever you think dirt and grime might get worse. Now, as you do this, you could do it with black, you could do it with brown, you could do it with whatever. You'll kind of see the plaster start to come back through and provide a lot of beautiful texture. Now on this one, I put a little red and white awning. That and the other little awnings that you see that are protruding are made out of cork. And just look at it, y'all. Look at the back of it. Oh, all that beautiful texture. Now all that's left is the roof, which I just painted brown for this one, and some rusty metal embellishments. And look how it turned out. I know I'm biased, but I absolutely adore these little houses. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and we'll talk at you again soon. Bye.